How should I start digital marketing, bro?
The best way to start a learn the digital marketing practically, also starting a blog. Do you have any
Okay.
idea about blog?
Yes, bro. I already created some blogs, bro, but it doesn't work out.
No. Don't create too many blogs. Okay, just create one blog and select one niche and produce the articles and try to promote those articles to get the traffic. So slowly you will learn the digital marketing things. Okay, you have to get the traffic from the search engines. You have to learn the search engine optimization. Next, you have to make some ads on Facebook, Google, YouTube, and you will learn the things like YouTube ads, Google ads, Facebook ads. And then you have to collect the email IDs and you have to promote your blog with the emails, and then you will learn the email marketing. Okay, and you have to promote some affiliate products on your blog to make some revenue, and then you can learn the affiliate marketing. Okay, there is a lot of scope to learn the
Okay.
digital marketing with the blog. Or if you are not comfortable in writing, then start a YouTube channel. If you are comfortable in producing a videos, then you can start a YouTube channel. Okay, either blog or YouTube.
Uh,
But if I give a priority, which one is better, so I will give the priority to the blog. So okay, you can also convert whatever the blog articles you are producing, those you can convert into YouTube videos, and you can get the traffic from the YouTube to your blog. That is the content repurpose.
Bro, do you offer any courses about
No,
related
no,
to
no.
search engine
I didn't
optimization like
create
that?
courses, not yet. I am planning to create courses, but right now only I created few ebooks. Okay, around two.
Okay.
In English there is a two ebooks, and in the mother language, Telugu, in two ebooks. So I am planning first to create the ebooks, and then once then after I will plan the uh, courses. So now I am planning to conduct more one-to-one sessions like this. Yeah, you can
So this is the
monetize
key
if
one
you
now.
have the skill. You can monetize in different ways. Got it?
Yes, bro, that is what I was looking for. I've been looking for this, bro. I wanted to do something with the digital marketing, and I already did some blog kind of stuff, but it didn't work, bro.
See, uh, things will work if you give some particular time to those things. Okay, how many months you have worked on the blog?
Bro, I created blogs of these Python tutorials, bro. I worked on nearly I worked on 2 to 3 months around.
Only 2 to 3 months? No,
I created the
no, no.
content with
That's not the thing. See, when coming to the blog, you have to give at least 6 months to come from uh, to get the some results. Okay, so 2 to 3 months working on blog fitting, that's not a good. You have to wait
no,
at
bro.
least
Just
6 months.
no, it took me nearly 2 to 3 months just to create those blogs, bro.
Why you have created one
From
blog or
1 year
different
back,
blogs?
only one blog, but a different content, bro.
Yeah, different blog articles, blog posts. Okay, yeah.
Oh yes, bro. It's been
Is it
one
on,
one year, bro.
Blogger platform or WordPress platform?
It's blog only, blogspot.
Blogspot. Okay. Why not to take a hosting and put some budget? Okay, hosting and domain name. Have you purchased the domain name, or are you doing with the whatever domain you are getting with the Blogspot domain, which is free domain? Have you
That was
purchased
a
it?
free domain, bro. I didn't
Free
purchase.
domain? No, no,
No, no,
no.
I
That's
didn't.
no, that's not correct. You have to take, if you are not affordable to hosting, first of all, you have must take the domain. So whatever your things till now, those will go to vanish. Okay. So if you have the custom
Yeah.
domain on Blogger domain, once you blog grown, then you can transfer the particular blog to WordPress.